Yo fam, AI taking over jobs? It's the question everyone's asking. Will robots steal our desks, our staplers, our precious coffee mugs? The future seems uncertain, maybe a little scary, but hold up a sec. Before you panic and start hiding your resume under the mattress, let's break this down. Sure, AI is changing things fast, like really fast. It can do crazy stuff, like write a whole song in the style of Drake or paint a masterpiece that'll make you say, Da Vinci who? But here's the thing, AI ain't perfect, it's got its limits, and that's where we humans come in. The truth is, AI is a tool. It's like a superpowered smartphone. Useful, sure, but it needs someone to tell it what to do. That's where we come in. The future ain't about robots versus humans, it's about humans and robots working together. So chill out, grab your coffee, and let's dive deeper into this whole AI thing. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say the robot in the cubicle. People are freaking out about AI taking their jobs. Lawyers worried about robot judges. Doctors sweating over robot surgeons. Even comedians like me wondering if a bot will be telling jokes on late-night TV. Listen, I get it. Change can be scary, especially when it involves something as powerful as AI. But here's the thing. Most jobs are too complex for AI to handle alone. They need that human touch, that creativity, that ability to understand emotions and navigate tricky situations. AI might be able to write a legal document, but can it argue a case in court, connecting with a jury on a human level? Maybe one day, but today, not so much. So breathe easy, my friends, the robot uprising is not nigh yet. Let's be real, AI is already doing some pretty impressive stuff, like, have you ever used Google Maps? That's AI, my friend? Or asked Siri to set a reminder, AI again, it's everywhere, quietly making our lives easier. And in many fields, it's doing tasks that are frankly a bit tedious for us humans. Think data entry, crunching numbers, sorting through mountains of information, stuff that makes your brain want to check out and watch cat videos. AI excels at these repetitive, rule-based tasks. It's like a tireless worker bee, never complaining, never needing a coffee break. But there's a catch. While AI rocks at logic, it still struggles with things like creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. It can't understand the nuances of human language, the power of a well-told story, or the gut feeling that tells you something's not quite right. So, yeah, AI can write a news report, but can it write a compelling opinion piece? Can it move you with a heartfelt story? Can it make you laugh until your stomach hurts? Not quite. And that's where we humans still hold the winning hand. Section 4. Replacing humans cheaper, but is it better? Now let's talk money, honey. Companies love the idea of replacing humans with AI. Why? Because robots don't need salaries, vacation days, or health insurance. They work 24/7, never complain, and never ask for a raise. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, not so fast. Here's the thing. Replacing humans with AI comes with its own set of costs. First off, there's the initial investment. AI systems are expensive to develop and implement. You need fancy software, powerful computers, and a team of experts to make it all work. Then there's the maintenance. AI ain't like a toaster you can just plug in and forget about. It needs constant updates, monitoring, and occasional bug fixes. But here's the real kicker. What about the human cost? Millions of people could lose their jobs to automation. And sure, some new jobs will be created, but will there be enough for everyone? And what about the social and economic implications of mass unemployment? These are questions we need to seriously consider before we go full steam ahead with AI. Section 5. Human plus AI, the winning formula. Okay, enough doom and gloom. Here's the good news. The future ain't about AI replacing us. It's about AI augmenting us, making us smarter, faster, and more efficient. Think of it like this. AI is the Robin to our Batman, the Chewbacca to our Han Solo, well, you get the picture. AI can handle the boring, repetitive tasks, freeing us up to focus on what we humans do best: creative problem solving, critical thinking, and building relationships. Imagine doctors using AI to analyze medical images, giving them more time to connect with patients. Or architects using AI to generate design options, allowing them to focus on the artistic vision. The possibilities are endless. By embracing AI as a tool, we can unlock our full potential and create a future where humans and technology work together for the greater good. Section 6. Future-proof your career. Become an AI whisperer. Alright folks, time to get practical. How can you make sure your career isn't left in the dust by the AI revolution? Simple, become an AI whisperer. Now, before you start looking for courses in robot whispering, they might exist, I haven't checked. It's not as complicated as it sounds. First, embrace lifelong learning. The job market is changing faster than ever, so you gotta keep those skills sharp. Take online courses, attend workshops, read books, whatever it takes to stay ahead of the curve. Second, get comfortable with tech. You don't need to become a coding wizard, but basic digital literacy is a must. Learn how to use different software, explore online tools, and don't be afraid to experiment. Finally, focus on your uniquely human skills. Creativity, critical thinking, communication, collaboration. These are the things that AI can't replicate yet. Hone these skills and you'll be in high demand no matter what the robots are up to. Remember, the future belongs to those who can adapt and evolve. So embrace the AI revolution. Become an AI whisperer, and let's build a future that's brighter, bolder, and more awesome than we can even imagine.